In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can make the mouse pointer move automatically to the dialog box in Windows 11. So let's get started. So all we have to do is go to the Windows search bar of your Windows 11 and type Control Panel. Okay? So you have to click on Control Panel under the Best Match. Now once you are in the Control Panel window, simply click on the View By, the drop-down option and choose large or small icons. And here you can find mouse. Once you find mouse, click on that. And the mouse properties will appear. Now we have different tabs right here. So you have to click on pointer options. And here you'll find automatically move pointer to the default button in a dialog box. So make sure to check it to enable it. Click on apply, click on OK, and that's it. You have just done it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.